Press the power button, adjust your oxygen flow to your doctor's prescription, and you're all set. You can once again leave the house without the hassles of oxygen and get back to the active life you love.
That's 1-800-642-8333.
Yeah. Years ago, how many years ago? So, it's a little bit.
Oxygen your doctor prescribed.
Day. Call now. Did you see?
Use of casework.
All the routes here now. The remedy.
Obverse and the reverse. You see, Coin?
Take a vitamin.
They were being sold for 10 times it.
So the nervous system, let's go. This'll has to reach deep into.
Justin Smith definitely is.
Or I absolutely felt feeling of true happiness.
Focus on capturing growing.
I don't know what you live on, but
Magic from Dr. Sabah that's kept Cindy's skin seeing. The sugar, right?
Tous les autres opposants. Under an old cloth.
Explain your coverage options. Answer any. Es un agujero formado.
Has the truth of love.
Into our prayer and healing special today. We believe.
Talk to an expert senior living.
Just wants her man.
it's Russia. You don't want nothing familiar.
We've not had that yet here, but again, everybody's under a tornado watch until 8 o'clock. We're quickly clearing out eastern Arkansas.
You get
To the 21st century. Call now for your free evaluation.
So
Calls or missed calls. Certainty that
Her case, including
the hand of just be dirtied off.
the high wind gusts and hail.
She's a pro. I mean, you gotta stay.
He agreed to stay on his prep.
And that not only was this tornado that exists right now still.
DW? But I have a toothache as big as this house. My tooth needs.
がっていう依存性がすごく強い。
France today.